Good lighting always makes things looks better. See. Guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज भी बढ़िया है. तो फिर हम लोग का भी दिवाली का प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है. हम लोग का लाइटिंग वगैरह सब लगा लिया. तो अभी इधर रात को देखना कैसा दिखता है. तो फिर दिवाली पता ही है, फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. हाँ, तो फिर इसलिए बाहर जाके देखना पड़ेगा कैसा दिख रहा है. ओह, सन टू बहुत. हाँ, देखिए आपको लाइट दिखाता हूँ. हाँ, लाइट देखिए ऐसा लाइट लगा है. रात को देखना कितना अच्छा दिखेगा. अब मैं अभी नानी के रूम पे आई हूँ. ठीक है, नानी बोल रही थी बिकॉज शी ऑल्सो नोज दैट नाउ आई मेक यूट्यूब वीडियो. सो she was telling me to sow our flowers because she also loves taking care of the garden, her flowers, you know, taking care of her surroundings. Right, she wants you guys to see my flowers, her flowers. So because she has also taken care of a lot, and see how beautiful it is. You know, even I liked it all because, you know, I don't come this side a lot. So she's telling me to show you guys. So guys, see her flowers. Wow. Okay, see. This is where she does puja early in the morning. See her flowers. Oh, what is this? Oh, देखो ना marigold. This is China rose. See? Wow. She her chickens. Okay. She came early in the morning. Okay, as soon as I woke up, right. जब भी मैं उठा तो फिर मेरे को immediately मेरे रूम पे आया और बोल रहा था, बोल रही थी मेरा भी आज फूल दिखा दो. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, she's not like that. Okay, all of a sudden she came and like she told me to do this, sow flowers and all, right? Yeah. She's my grandmother. See. Oh God, she has lots of chicken also. She take cares of that, and every morning, no, she gives me one egg. Okay, so that I can have it in the breakfast. Every day she gives. Sometimes she gives me, you know, milk. If she has a milk, she'll give me that. You know, as soon as I wake up, you know, she comes to my room and she gives me egg. You know, so that's so cute of her, right? And this is her chicken ka kha rahi hai. She does all these things by herself. You know, she doesn't need any help. Okay, she's a one-woman army. And she's really strong at this age also. Almost she's like 74, I guess. 74, 75. She does all these things by herself, you know, which is great. And guys, I wanted to show you something also because, you know, it was here right in front of us. So I wanted to show you guys. This is like a wooden box or something. I don't know exactly what it is, but see this much. Okay, and what people used to do earlier is from her times. Okay, people used to store rice in here. Rice. Now I wish I could show you, but there is a lot of dirty stuffs here. So but people used to store rice. You know, most of the guys have you know, these things in our village, right? So it's made of wood. This is where rice were kept earlier. धान छ यहाँ अझै हाँ okay. So I was asking her if there's a rice still in the box. She said there isn't. So yes, and also देखो ना और कोई नहीं, गार्डन का हाउस है, वही तो गार्डन का घर है। दिस इज रियली ओल्ड, देखो ना कैसा हुआ है, गार्डन का घर है। तो पहले अर्थक्वेक आने से सब देखो ना अर्थक्वेक आने से सब बिगड़ गया, डैमेज हो गया। 2 बार आया, पूरा वॉल ही गिरा दिया। देखो this is of no use because why we have not you know build a new one, because she says she has lots of memories here, so she doesn't want us to build a new one here, because, right, because she has stayed in this house from the time she has come here. So she says she has lots of memories, so even we thought let's not do it. So yeah, we have kept it like that only. So guys, आज घर पे ना मम्मी ने पुलाव बनाया है। So आज मम्मी का भी छुट्टी था, तो इसलिए she was free, so she made पुलाव। पुलाव घी में बनाया है पुलाव, और थोड़ा चिकन है, पापड़ है, और ये बैंगन का भाजा है। It's healthy, but this is quite unhealthy because it's too much. There's too much of oil in here. Yeah, so let's have this now. So guys, अभी टेरेस पे आया हूँ एज यूजुअल पानी डालने के लिए इधर। तो डेली ड्यूटी तो करना पड़ेगा, राइट, एंड टू डू दिस वी just need a patience, lots of patience here, because it doesn't grow overnight. So yes, ये करने के बाद मैं बॉल खेलने जाएगा फिर आज फाइनली फ्राइडे, एंड टुमारो एंड डे आफ्टर इट्स ऑफ, इट्स माई ऑफ। So yes, and Diwali is also here, so let's celebrate Diwali, right, and please show some love to my YouTube channel. गाइस, मैंने अभी पानी सब डाल दिया, तो एंड मेरे को ना एक बात बोलना था, ठीक है, रिक्वेस्ट है सबको, क्योंकि आप लोग ना मेरे वीडियो में ना कमेंट ही नहीं कर देते हो, लाइक वीडियो कैसा है, लाइक वेदर यू आर लाइकिंग और नॉट। सो और आप कैसा वीडियो देखना चाहते हो, तो फिर लाइक व्हाट एवर कंटेंट डू यू वांट टू सी। सो हाँ, प्लीज़ यार एटलीस्ट कमेंट कर दो, शेयर कर दो ना। कोई भी है, अच्छा है बुरा है, आप लोगों को कुछ पसंद नहीं आया, तो फिर कमेंट लिख दो यार। कोई सीधा आके बोल देता है। इट्स बेटर आप लोग कमेंट कर दो, कमेंट या यूट्यूब मेरा वीडियो में कर देता, अच्छा लगता है यार मेरे को। तो फिर इसीलिए मेरा अकाउंट रीच भी ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि आप लोग ऐसा कर देता हो, तो फिर सो हाँ, मेरे को वही बोलना था। हाँ, प्लीज़ गाइस, प्लीज़ लीव अ कमेंट, लाइक, शेयर माय चैनल, प्लीज़ डू सपोर्ट मी, right, because I'm giving my full time in YouTube, because I want to grow my channel, you know. So yes, that is what I wanted to say. So अभी मैं निकल रहा हूँ वॉलीबॉल खेलने के लिए। आज बुन दीदी ने ओ जी के रहे हो, ये ब्रिंजल लाया है, ये कल उगाड़ना पड़ेगा। ए कतिवटा छ बुन दिदी? थुप्रो छ। अन्त यो बिन्स ल्याएको घरकै हो। दिस इज गाइस, दिस इज फ्रेश अर्ग्यानिक है, घर का है। देखो, मेरे को तो पसंद नहीं है बीन्स, बट दिस इज घर पे उगा रहा है। देखो ना कितना अच्छा है, राइट। सो गाइस, हम लोगों के घर पे दिवाली भी आया, के लाइटिंग वगैरह सब हो गया। देखिए, यस, yes. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, the festival of lights is here. I hope सबका घर में भी खुशी आई, मतलब happiness. Good lightning always makes things looks better. See, the flowers looks amazing. Yes. Yeah. I pray everyone's house is blessed with lots of Lakshmis, blessings, good fortunes. Right. So everyone wishes the same, only good fortune in the house. Nobody wishes bad luck or anything like that. I don't want to talk about that either. So yes, हम लोग का लाइटिंग भी हो चुका है अभी. इस बार तो हम लोगों ने कलर वगैरह घर पे कलर वगैरह नहीं किया क्योंकि सब अच्छा ही है. सो मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर प्रोबेबली रूम पे भी, अगर ऊपर हम लोगों का ऊपर रूम भी बनाना है, ठीक है. तो फिर हाँ देखते चल कैसा होता है. सो और मेरा रूम भी ऊपर जाएगा कि एक साइड पूरा मेरा रूम होगा विथ टॉयलेट, वॉशरूम वगैरह सब अटैच होगा. तो फिर ऊपर रूम पे let's see, I hope by the end of next year everything is complete. ऊपर भी we have a plan. I just need to work on that. So, yes guys, so आज के लिए इतना ही. I hope you guys like my video, and please don't forget to leave a comment like I said earlier, right? And happy Diwali in advance to all of you, okay? And let's celebrate this Diwali safe, because like Supreme Court has already announced that there will not be any bursting crackers all over India, because already our country is already polluted so much, right? And let's think of our future, and then let's celebrate in a way it's pollution free, right? And I hope selling of crackers also is banned in India. So yes, we can also celebrate Diwali in a peaceful way, right? It's not only that we have to burst crackers, right? It's a waste of money also it's waste of money as well as harmful for our nature also, right? So yeah, that is what I wanted to say. This much for today, and thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment on my channel, and take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next vlog.